It's cold, Basil. It's cold. Antarctica, go burn. Snowstorm. Antarctica. Ice. Scientists are penguins. Antarctica, they're opening the abyss.
So a new discovery. Antarctica. Advanced Antarctica.
Climate crisis. Penguins.
Penguins. The Jerusalem Post brings us today's Antarctica update. But it's sort of Antarctica adjacent because it's about penguins. Climate linked to extreme environmental resilience in penguins. Study. And we know they've been tracking and surveilling penguins with robots and stuff, but let's see what they found. Penguins were able to fly until 60 million years ago when their bodies adapted to aquatic life, a study published Tuesday found. Did they really? A new peer-reviewed study published in Nature Communications on Tuesday found new information about factors that contributed to this evolutionary process, including geology and climate. Why would they care about the evolutionary process of penguins based on pressures from geology and climate?
But also, in the context of the theory of evolution, yeah, of course, geology and climate had to do with it.
Yeah, let me continue. Let me finish the sentence here.
Okay.
Tuesday found new information about factors that contributed to this evolutionary process, including geology and climate, and identified a group of genes that may affect vision, diet, size, immunity, oxygenation, and thermoregulation.
It sounds like all the genes to me.
All the things. Furthermore, the study found that penguins and their relatives, procellary forms, I don't know if I'm saying that right, have the lowest evolutionary rates known in birds. Together, this is a quote, together these findings help improve our understanding of how penguins have transitioned to the marine environment, successfully colonizing some of the most extreme environments on Earth.
Colonizers.
That's what I'm saying. Colonizing.
Penguins are the colonizers. They really are Nephilim.
I know.
They're admitting it.
Although prior research has uncovered new information about penguin evolution, previous studies have been hampered by sampling issues, according to the study.
Where do you even find penguins? How could we even sample them?
What is this?
This fake bird that doesn't actually exist.
I don't know what this is. It says process. And then there's a block quote. When most people think of penguins, they picture them among ice floes and being chased by leopard seals. Penguins evolved to be aquatic creatures before the polar ice sheets formed.
Exclamation mark.
Yeah.
Wow, so exciting.
Yeah, and the new study, researchers combined the genomes of all living and recently extinct penguin lineages, as well as data from penguin fossils and data about the physical structure and the geographical distribution of all extant and extinct penguin species.
Wow.
Oh, this is like if
all
anybody knows
penguins extant and extinct.
Yeah, if anybody knows about the Nephilim penguin, then it's these guys here. Furthermore, the researchers compared the genomes of the penguins to those of other birds, then conducted an analysis and found that penguins adapted to major changes in the global climate and thus developed the capability to survive extreme temperatures. And I am saying, Basil, that all of this is being set up as a way to genetically engineer humans to survive extreme temperatures and extreme changes in global climate.
We must merge with the penguins.
Either that or
we
learn
must
from
become penguin people. Not only is Antarctica the utopia of humanistic secularism, free from the colonizers, the European colonizers, the woke heaven, the halcyon woke white desert.
Yes.
But we'll take it even further.
Yeah.
We must merge. We must merge with the indigenous people, the colonizer penguins. We must colonize the colonizers.
Well, that's the same logic as the AI. AI is, spawning the demon or whatever that Elon said. But also Elon says we must merge with AI before it takes over. So
we got to merge with the penguins before the penguins merge with us, baby.
Study co-author Professor Richard Phillip, a seabird ecologist at the British Antarctic.
Seabird ecologist is not a real job.
Hey,
Just saying it. Somebody's got to say it. I'm tired of all this politically correct tiptoeing
you better-
around. I'm here to say it. I'm taking a stand, and I
Okay.
don't care what the cancel culture says. Seabird ecologist is not a real job.
Study co-author Professor Richard Phillip, a seabird ecologist at the British Antarctic Survey, said, quote, over time, they evolved characteristics that allowed them to colonize a wide range of
Gotta
marine
stop
environments.
using that word.
A wide range of marine environments. They colonized environments, not people, Basil.
I even
Or other
colonized
animals.
environments.
From the tropics to Antarctica. This paper provides a step change in our understanding of which genes underpin these different adaptations. Again, I'm telling you, man, they're showing us what they want to do with us. They want to change
Well,
our
you're right.
genes for the sake of climate change.
Because that is the only thing that they are saying that really is of any consequence in here.
Yeah.
Because what they're saying is penguins evolved
yeah.
as the climate changed. And it's like, yeah, under your theory of
Your whole
evolution,
theory, yeah.
everything did.
Yeah,
what do you
everything.
mean? Why is this special to penguins? And then they're like, no, but we found
the
exact
genes.
genes. We know which genes we're going to put
It was
in
the Ginkgo genes.
into the penguin pox vaccine
Yeah, the penguin
that will
pox.
immunize human beings from climate change. And you said it, Ginkgo. It's the Ginkgo genes protected. Let the penguins colonize. It's going to be a bunch of penguin people, sorry,
Penguin people
wearing
yeah, let's not be
Jimmy Buffett
racist.
Hawaiian shirts.
Because they all got it
Ginkgo
free from the
genes.
concert. Yeah.
Yeah, Ginkgo genes and colonizing Antarctica. This is our future, and it's there's nothing we can do about it. As it is written, so it shall be.
What was that kid movie with the penguin with the stompy feet?
Stompy Feet, I believe it was called.
No, I don't think it was called Stompy Feet.
It was Happy Feet.
Happy Feet.
Yeah.
What a early propaganda piece that was, huh?
Oh, I know.
Just a happy penguin, just dancing.
I know.
Really,
It
they
had
were
Morgan Freeman,
Yeah, they were
the
getting injected
father
with Nephilim
of
genes.
modern chimera technology. Penguin
Really,
eugenics.
really. I thought he
I
was
think
just.
he was in that movie. I think I'm thinking of the documentary. I'm thinking about a penguin documentary. I don't think Morgan Freeman was in Happy Feet. There was a period there in the 20-teens where every movie created either was about penguins or had Morgan Freeman in it.
Well, Morgan
Sometimes
Freeman-
both, but it either had Morgan Freeman or was about penguins. I'm pretty sure that is an actual fact. Fact check that, PolitiFact.
Morgan Freeman. I don't think he's played God a couple times, right? I know for
Right.
sure it was one time, but I know
It was a
they've put him
message
in
because now
roles.
he's playing God, trying to make us all into penguin people to survive.
So what you're
Climate
telling
change.
me is Morgan Freeman is Batman.
Cons. I don't even know what that means. I don't even know what
means-
that has to
It
do
means we're
with
at the end of the show.
anything.
It means we're at the end of the show.
It
We're
means
done.
The show
We're out of
is
field is what
over.
it means.
Yeah.
I'm making
Okay.
weird sideways
Batman.
references to the villain of Batman, Penguin.
Oh, the Penguin.
The Penguin.
The Danny DeVito character
Danny
voiced by
DeVito's
Morgan
Penguin.
Freeman. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Not a lot of people know that. Morgan Freeman actually did the voice of Danny DeVito as the Penguin in Batman.
Really?
Yeah, I know.
No, are you really seriously?
Come get me, Snopes. Come and get me, Snopes. What are you going to do about it, Snopes? That's called a miscaption.
Let me
right.
let me fact check you real quick. Let's see if Snopes did a little
Yeah,
bird
you
count.
fact check me while I end this show.